Hey guys, I just wanted to apologize for my voice. I know it sounds bad. These allergies have me dying over here. I just wanted to get this video up for you guys to show you how I got this adorable summery pink look. If you guys want to see how I did it, keep watching. I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Deep Contour and Highlight palette from NYX. This is actually the contour palette for deeper skin tones, but I used the lighter shade, that one all the way at the end, to contour, and I use the darkest shade to actually fill in my brows from time to time. And I'm using my little brow brush. It came in a set, and it's the only brushes I really used. So, yep, I'm doing that. I am doing that. Now I'm going in with my NYX HD concealer with a little flat definer brush, and I'm going to carve out my brows. Alright, now I'm going to warm it up with my finger and get rid of any kind of harsh lines. I'm going to be putting foundation over this anyway, so who cares? Now I'm going in with my tape, putting it right under my lash line into where my brows end, just to create that cute little perfect eyeshadow line, so it looks like, wow, what a steady hand, but you're like, not even close. I use tape. And I'm using my NYX primer, guys. Ever since I started using this, it's just everywhere on my face now. Until you guys try it, oh my gosh. And then I'm going to go in and set it with my loose e.l.f. translucent powder with a foundation brush. Of course, me, defying all the rules. And I'm going in with my Shani palette, and I'm going to be getting a fluffy brush and going in with this lovely pink shade. And I'm just putting that as a transition shade right above the lid and right underneath the brow bone. And I'm going in with this fluffy brush. It's a tad bit smaller, and I'm going in with this more fuchsia shade, which is a little darker than the one I have in my transition. That's just a little darker, just to give it some dimension. And I'm putting it in the crease and on the outer V. And then again, I'm going in with this NYX base, and I'm gonna just cut the crease. This is optional. You really don't have to do this, but I do it because I just like the pigments to come up that much more. And you could just put it on whatever part you want to have be bright and amazing. Did I mess that up completely? Probably. And I went in with a little flat eyeshadow brush in that purple shade. That was my fiance's idea. He was like, you should use purple, and I was like, okay. I'm just cutting the crease on the other one. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I do that. How cringy does my voice sound? Ugh. And now I'm getting the same brush. I've been wiping it in between like takes just to get some of the concealer off. And I went in with this plain white shadow, and I put it in my inner corner in my brow bone just to lighten it up a little bit before I go in with my actual highlighter. And this is the telescopic mascara, L'Oreal, in Carbon Black. I use it every single day, every single breath. I have it in my hand at all times. And if it's not in my hand, it's in my other hand. Now I'm just wiping away all of my excess and fallout because you know me, I don't know how to work clean even a little bit. And this is my NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Primer. And I rub it in, and of course, you know me, what kind of cat video would this be if I didn't put an excessive amount of something? I'll be the first one. How to use affordable makeup and use it all in one shot. Okay, great. Ugh, one job, cat. And I'm using the Fit Me foundation. I think it's a 235, the color I'm in, and I mixed it with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm beige bronze in that one. And I'm mixing it because, as you saw in a couple of videos ago, I'm entirely too dark for that foundation, my Wet n Wild one, because I got a tan somehow. So I was pretty screwed with that, so I mixed the two and it came out nice. Now my Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and I'm Fair Claire in that one, and I'm blending. And now I'm setting it with my e.l.f. translucent powder. And I'm going in with my favorite thing on earth, my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This stuff brings the life back into my face, because I look like a flat surface until you do this, and now you're like, wow, I exist. Look at that. And I'm going in with a fluffy brush, and it kind of has an edge to it, like a little slant, so it's perfect for contouring my nose. For that perfect nose contour. And now I'm brushing away any excess powder. Sometimes I'll be forgetting to do that, and I'm like, oops, when I leave the house. And now I'm going in with my liquid highlight, the True Match Lumi. Oh my lord, I love this stuff. I normally use it as a primer, but today I was actually using it as a highlight. And I went in with my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlight, as I always do. This stuff is just so good. And I'm going in with an itty bitty brush, and I'm doing the Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and a corner, brow bone, everything. Giving myself some snot. Ew. Ew, when I say snot and my voice sounds like this, it's so bad. That was so bad. I instantly regretted that. And now I'm taking whatever excess was left on my first brush for my transition shade right underneath my lash line on the lower lashes, just to create that complete effect. And I'm going with a little flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting that purple shade in too. Just mixing the two. Nothing crazy. Just to look like I completed it, you know? And then I put mascara. And now dewy finish, the NYX setting spray. And I douse my face. For lips, I'm going in with my San Paolo NYX matte lipstick, and then I'm going in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte lipstick in black, and I'm just adding some darkness because it was too light for me. And then I'm going in with the brand Oakland. This lipstick is called Vanilla Tea Punch, just for a nudie effect. Then I go over it with a Love and Beauty from Forever 21, just a simple gloss just right over it to give it a light glossy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was super easy and it was fun to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. Let me know what other colors you guys want to see me use and work with. What summery colors do you guys want to see too? Comment down below. Love you guys.